This video is for guys who are curious and wants to know if they will become high-value men in few years. With our revelation in this video, you will certainly have insight if you already have what it takes to be a high-value man or not. This video will also make you understand the aspects you are lacking or need to develop in order to be a high-value man. Before we go into the points, let's have a deal that you will like this video and subscribe to this channel if you find this video interesting at any point or agree to any point made. Otherwise, you can still like and subscribe for no reason. Let us now go into details. 1. You always put your purpose first before any other thing. High-value men are known to put their purpose first before anything else. For high-value men, nothing on earth matters more than their purpose and goals, because high-value men do not always want to live an average life. So, if you discover yourself always putting your purpose and goals first, if you are always prioritizing your goals and ambitions and do not want anything come in between you and your goals, there is a high chance of you becoming a high-value man, because this is a trait that leads to the success of every high-value man. So if your purpose is more important than anything else, you are on track to becoming a high-value man. 2. You intentionally want to work hard to avoid being broke. High-value men all over the world detest being broke. This is why they are high-value, because they consciously work on their finances to ensure they are not broke or poor. High-value men do whatever they can to come out of financial troubles and debts. High-value men are also great in finance management. So if you see yourself always eager to fix your finances in order not to be broke in the future, it is a great sign that you will be a high-value man in the future. All you have to do is to keep working. You are absolutely on track to becoming a high-value man. 3. You always want to be perfect in whatever you do. High-value men are not where they are by mistake. They are high-value and are respected in the society because of how great they are in whatever they do. High-value men have great knowledge in whatever field they find themselves, and they always strive to be perfect in whatever they do. This is what brings the significant results that makes them high value. So if you are a person that does not settle for less and want everything around you to be perfect at all time, that is a high-value trait. Continue on not compromising on your standards and see the significant results you will get soon. That will make you a high-value man. 4. You do not place much value on women. High-value men are called high-value because they have built their lives to be valuable. This will never be possible if they focus on women or waste their time chasing women. All high-value men know the importance of time. They also understand that women are time wasters. This is why they do not place much value on women. Instead, they use their time to develop and build themselves. This is what leads to the significant results they have. So if you see yourself not giving much time to women, instead places more value on building your life and finances, there is a high chance of you becoming a high-value man. So if you notice that you have these 4 traits already, or at least 3 of them, there is a possibility of you becoming a high-value man. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.